Hi everyone. I want to share my heartfelt appreciation for the amazing care I and my family received at Fortis Hospital at Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. Both my father and I were treated here, and the experience was truly outstanding. The hospital staff was kind, attentive, and incredibly professional. Okay, a special thank you to Dr. Prashant Saxena, whose professional expertise gave us so much comfort during a very difficult period of time. They took time to explain everything clearly and treated us with real care and, most importantly, with utmost respect. Okay, thanks to the team at Fortis Hospital at Vasant Kunj, my father and I are doing well today. We felt safe, supported, and truly looked after. I highly recommend this hospital, and especially Dr. Prashant Saxena, and to everyone seeking excellent care. Thank you and be healthy.